Hey traders, Raghee here, and I've got to really focus here on crude because this is one of the markets that can get sort of swept aside with the way in which the Nasdaq has been moving higher and the strength in tech. But let's not forget that after the reflation trade was absolutely trounced by the recent FOMC meeting and then going into triple witching, crude has been absolutely holding its own. And so the question that I've been getting a lot of is, well, Rog, when's the next opportunity for some volatility to see crude move lower and then be able to scoop up some long positions in CL or USO, relatedly, the RB gasoline, and it's coming up on July 1. So yeah, we're a few days ahead, but I want you to be able to start preparing for this now. And that is if we get the OPEC meeting that's coming up in July 1, where there is expectation for them to decrease the cuts. In other words, increase output, because the expectation is for a potential shortfall of 1.5 million barrels a day come August. That could be the catalyst. So you've got now basically, a couple days before that Thursday event. It's going to release pretty early because these meetings usually occur in Austria, but they're probably doing it on Zoom now. Who knows? But it will the news and the sound bites will be released throughout the day on Thursday in the U.S. So go scan CL, XLE, XOP, FRAK secondarily, but definitely OIH as well, and start thinking about what stocks would you be interested in either at the wider tied ETF level, the sector, or at individual stock levels in order to take advantage of the uptrend in crude and the knock-on effect into the oil stocks. Crude is my first objective, and a pullback between the 13 and 21 EMAs would be amazing. If we actually do touch the 70-20 area at the 34 EMA high, that'd be awesome. But really anything in about 72.20 to about 71 even, to me, is going to be a good opportunity to buy calls in CL or calls in USO or the QM mini. So think about what that volatility could do. Think about where the small group of double greens still are. And remember, crude oil could bring these oil stocks up higher. Now remember, we're also dealing with the end of quarter window dressing, and so I think we're going to continue to see the unwind in some corners of the market that have been underperforming. Well, we will continue to see strength in corners of the market that are performing. Nasdaq, case in point. But in the premium video, I'm going to dive into some of the sectors, the individual indices, and a little bit more on energies as we prepare for the end of this quarter, for the end of June. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.